What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video talk about how you can earn $10 every 10 minutes through these 3 websites that I am about to mention. So I hope you stay until the end. Smash the like button so I can make more videos such as these, and let's get right into this. So these websites, I've actually tested usertesting.com, and I've done intensive research on the other 2 that I will mention throughout this video on how this works, what it is, and exactly how you can earn money with these. So these are actually, there are no surveys, there's no like watching videos per se. It's actually very easy to do. You can easily do this on the weekends or after you come home from work. This is just extra cash that you can earn by doing this, and it's, again, overall very interesting, very cool to do, and very easy. It's actually pretty fun, and these are actual legitimate jobs that people do. Think of QAs. If you don't know what that is, not question and answer, quality assurance. I believe that is how I spelled it crazy wrong. But yeah, that is the type of jobs that these these legitimate jobs, that basically what it is. A lot of my friends actually do this, and they actually get paid a lot of money. So yeah, to get right back into the video. So basically what you need to do, and just to sign up, is extremely simple. Just gonna like walk you through how the user testing one works. Is you essentially just give your email, they'll send you a link, they'll tell you, yep, confirm registration, they'll tell you to install something on your computer, and once you do, all you have to do, it'll basically record your screen when you do the test, but it'll first make you do a test trial to make sure if you're qualified or not. All you're essentially doing, it is again on a very simple basis, is they'll tell you like instructions to follow, and you will follow them just like this website. It'll tell you create an account, and all you're going to do is you're going to literally speak your thoughts like, hey, so I am going to create my account. Now I looked at the top right corner and it says over there request trial and log in. I do not see a create account feature. Maybe if I click and log in, I'll see a create an account feature, etc, etc. That's, I'm sorry, I just clicked it. But that's literally how you do it, and then it'll be recording your screen. So you just have to speak good, clear, thorough English, basically follow from there, speak every single thought. Like, the whole purpose is they want to test the user to either find some sort of issues occurring within the app or website, or they want to basically just see how easily the information is readily available. Like, just like how I mentioned right now, this is companies that are basically doing this. It's not this website, it's companies. Like, let's just say there's a new startup, or let's say Uber, for example, and they want to hear people's opinions, like how easy was it for them to register on their site. Like at this, for example, I don't see a registration page yet, but something at the bottom left says sign me up. Okay, that's where it is, and they'll see how many people try to look at the top right corner, and they'll make an analysis based off of that, and that's how they make their changes to their website. And these tests, they literally take from like 10 to 20 minutes. Like over here, it says they're all PayPal. They said you'll get $10 for every 20-minute video or set you complete. Overall, honestly, some took 5 minutes, some took 10 minutes, some are longer tests that like 60 minutes, so you get $60. It's like $10 for 10 minutes, usually how they work, and it tells you exactly. And again, these are legitimate sites, legitimately backed by like all these other institutions, so they're not fake. There are other ones that I know that are a little bit iffy, they're not too much trustworthy, but this one, it's again very interesting. You can see like there's literally testers that are taken from all over the world. It's not just the US, it's literally all over the world, again, because the company's user base can vary. Some could be targeting people in Asia, some could be targeting people in Africa. So yeah, most of the people are usually Europe and America where they're targeting, but again, it can vary. The next one is Try My UI. Again, all these 3 links will be in the description below for you guys to easily check out, sign up, and go from there. Same exact thing. It's $10 per test, and it says 20 minutes. Again, I've done them. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. I am a tech savvy person. Maybe that's why. I did speak very clearly, and I do speak fast, so that could be an issue. But it was fine. It worked. They liked it. They do send tests like through the emails. You easily get the test. Similar thing here. You're basically testing the website's UI out, so the user interface. You're going from there. You're just gonna make sure like they're basically testing from your personal opinion, like what is happening, how does it work, what exactly are you feeling or thinking about it, what should we change. Again, they'll task you with these different tasks in which you'll use to be able to help, like, I guess, like help them expand their process or clean up their process and go from there. Again, PayPal as well, and they just make sure again, this is a legitimate thing. This is not something you're just putting a video on and you're just sitting to the side and not doing anything, or just clicking ads for like those what are those things called, PTC websites. No, this is a legitimate actual thing that you're doing. Not too much time. Again, you can literally put 10, 20, 30 minutes for the weekend, earn some extra cash, throw it in your PayPal, and you got some good cash coming in. Again, these are legitimate jobs. They're much more complex than this one, the QA job as I was speaking of, but again, it still falls into the site. This one I liked also because you can do it through the mobile app as well. I don't know, I wonder how they'll record. If it's an iPhone, I guess screen record, and then they'll just go from there. But all of them, they literally tell you to sign up, and they do like a little test to make sure you are at that specific, like you meet their criterias. And again, this one actually pays from $5 to $20. Some projects as much as $90, so it's actually pretty interesting. So again, I'm assuming this is like a big new company that's trying to get like full-blown information about it. And this one just this is 16, so that's actually pretty cool. You don't have to be 18. Again, the other ones you can probably slide it, but use your parents' PayPal if you don't have one. You can probably sign up, use it, just say you're 18. I don't know if they'll ask in that sense, but go for it. So country, same thing. You can literally do it around the world. So it's not like you're restricted. If you're like from India or whatnot, you'll be able to do it fine. So see, for some tests, you will need to be able to use your front camera. So again, see, that's why I said a lot of these are like you have to be in front of your computer. This one is pretty cool. So I'm assuming this one, there. I don't know. I don't have an Android phone, but I know you need to download a screen recorder. But now I know iPhone iOS 10 and up have a built-in screen recorder, which makes sense to why they want that. So that's cool. Microphone. For some tests, like I said, it's pretty simple. There's nothing crazy. I don't really have a webcam, but that's why I said I didn't test this one. But yeah, they do have a recorder. Like I said, you install it, it does it for you, and you go from there. I have a mic that I personally use. I don't really have those items, but again, very cool to use. Very good way to make some money. You can actually have all three signed up and do all three tests. So that's how I did it for the first one, and I just wanted to test it out, give you guys like my thoughts and opinions. It did work. It does actually pretty good. So overall, I personally liked it, and I would highly recommend it. So definitely do check this out. Again, all the links will be in the description below for you guys to see and go from there. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below, guys. Let me know if you signed up, you got approved, and what you guys think. Did you make some money? Did you hate it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But hey, overall, if you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, have a nice job. Peace.